Yo, party people, we hit 10,000 views, we're popping bottles, but wait, hold the phone. Those 10,000 views were from a promoted video. We got views, yes, but watch hours? Crickets chirping? It's like that awkward moment when your friend brings their entire extended family to your birthday party. You technically have more people there, but it doesn't exactly scream popularity. Please like, share, and subscribe to become part of our family. Here's the deal. YouTube ads bring in paid traffic. This means you're essentially paying for people to watch your content. While this might seem like a quick way to boost your numbers, it doesn't necessarily translate to genuine interest or long-term growth. It's like paying for friends. You might get a temporary boost in views, but these viewers are not invested in your content. They are there because of the ad, not because they found your video organically. Sure, you have more people around, but are they really there for you? Are they engaging with your content, leaving comments, and sharing your videos? Probably not. Paid views don't count toward the 4,000 watch hours you need to monetize your channel. This is because YouTube's algorithm is designed to reward genuine engagement and organic growth. Why? Because YouTube wants genuine engagement from viewers who are truly interested in your content. They want people who will watch your videos from start to finish, leave meaningful comments, and come back for more. This kind of engagement is what helps your channel grow in the long run. Think of it this way. You wouldn't force someone to watch your favorite movie, right? You want them to watch it because they are genuinely interested and excited about it. You want them to choose it because they're genuinely interested. This is the same principle that applies to your YouTube channel. Same goes for your YouTube channel. Focus on creating content that attracts viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. This will lead to more meaningful engagement and sustainable growth over time. Let's talk real growth, the kind of growth that doesn't just look good on paper, but translates into genuine engagement and loyal followers. The kind that comes from creating awesome content that people actually want to watch. Here's how. First, focus on making your content binge-worthy. 1. Binge-worthy content. Make videos so good, people binge-watch them like they binge-watch their favorite shows. Think about the last series you couldn't stop watching. Your content should have that same magnetic pull. 2. SEO is your BFF. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags to attract viewers. Use keywords that your audience is searching for. This helps your videos show up in search results and get discovered by new viewers. Think of it like using the right hashtags on social media. Just as hashtags help people find your posts, good SEO helps people find your videos. 3. Social media power. Share your videos everywhere. Don't just stick to one platform. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, the more the merrier. Each platform has its own unique audience, and by sharing your content across multiple channels, you increase your chances of reaching more people. 4. Collaborate and conquer. Team up with other creators. Collaboration is a powerful way to grow your audience. It's like having guest stars on your channel. When you collaborate, you tap into each other's audiences, bringing new viewers to your channel. More fun, more reach, more awesome. So remember, real growth comes from real engagement. Create content that people love, optimize it for discovery, share it widely, and collaborate with others. That's the recipe for success. Section 4. Dodge the clickbait trap and other common mistakes. Let's avoid some common YouTube pitfalls, shall we? 1. Overspending on ads. Don't blow your budget on ads. It's like buying a fancy sports car when you haven't learned how to drive yet. 2. Clickbait is a no-no. Don't trick people into clicking. It's like promising pizza and delivering broccoli. Not cool, man. Section 5. Ready to crush it? This is where the magic happens, folks. Let's go. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of unicorn magic. It's not just about uploading videos. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience. But hey, you got this. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Consistency is key, and so is staying true to your unique voice. Like this video if you learned something new. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even better content for you. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps us grow. Subscribe for more awesome content. We've got tons of exciting videos lined up just for you. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Sharing is caring, and it helps us reach more awesome people like you. Unless they're the kind who only show up for the free pizza. We all know someone like that, right? You deserve real fans, not pizza-motivated posers. Peace out, keep creating, keep inspiring, and we'll see you in the next video.